Throop-Voors here with your homework help for tonight. Here is tonight's homework, and this is September 9th. And so there are 5 problems here, and remember, this is all about order of operations. And so to remember order of operations, we're going to write PEMDAS, which gives you the idea of what order we've solved any equation or any problem. So parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, remember, go together. They're treated equal. And then addition and subtraction also created equal. So when we look at this problem, this is problem number 1 over here on your homework. We obviously see that there are parentheses. So according to PEMDAS, we have to do this first. And so we take 8 minus 5 first. And so 8 subtract 5, that's going to give us 3. So when we rewrite the equation, it's going to be 8 times 3 minus 3 squared. So the next thing to solve is obviously my exponents. That's the second thing. So this is an exponent, 3 to the second power, or 3 squared. So when we square something, remember we say this is 3 times 3. And so when we do 3 times 3, we know that that comes out to be a total of 9, because 3 times 3 equals 9. And so I can bring this down as a 9. And so if I rewrite my equation again, I have 8 times 3 minus 9. Now the next problem that you do, remember, multiplication and division are created equal, so I have to find that problem. I have a multiplication problem here. I don't have a division problem in this case. So this is what I'm going to solve first, 8 times 3. And I know that 8 times 3 is 24. And so then I bring this down as well. So I'm left with 24 minus 9. And so the last part of PEMDAS, the last part of order of operations, is addition and subtraction. And this is what I have left here, 24 minus 9. Of course, I know that 24 minus 9, if I count up to 10, that's going to be 1 plus 10 more is going to be up to 20, and then 4 more, so that's going to give me 15 if you count up from 9 to 24, which tells me that 24 minus 9 is 15. And so my answer here for problem number 1 is 15. Make sure you show all of your work so that I can see your thinking on the homework. And the rest of the problems here are essentially the same. You're going to solve the parentheses first. Keep in mind, when it's a parentheses and then an exponent like this, you solve what's in the parentheses first. So this is going to be 14 minus 2, which is going to give you 12, and then you have to square that. So this is actually 12 squared, which is equivalent to 12 times 12. And so that's what this problem here in problem 4 is going to look like. Same thing with problem number 2. So bring your homework tomorrow. Look forward to seeing everybody here at Miami Middle School tomorrow. This has been your homework help for today.